Hey everyone, my name is Keerthan and from first semester CSBS department. So my product is cosmetics. So let's move on to the company. The company name is Mesa Verde and here's the logo. Um, and It's a sub company derived from the major company Global Ocean. Let's move on to the empathy part. Feedback collected during empathy. From the empathy, the feedback collected are to use AI blockchain beauty. The AI blockchain beauty, what it does is to reduce the human efforts of identifying what is actually good for your skin and what you must use for your skin. And immersive beauty, that's also the same thing used by AI, which helps you to understand what cosmetics you should use, what type of products you have to use for your skin. And virtual try on features, as everyone knows, it's very essential to try your product. By using virtual try on features, you can actually try every single product, and it also recommends what is actually good for you, from which people can actually get to know what is their like actual what they're looking for basically. And the fourth one is actually push for eco-friendly packing and all-in-one products. And AI definition identification factor, basically what it does is you packaging and stuff, it's all eco-friendly using the products which are available by the nature and which it can be decomposed very easily. So define an ideal state. In this state, the features to be added are expanded AI powered features to include skin analysis and personalized product recommendations. So skin analysis is very important for a person to choose what product or cosmetic they are going to choose in the future, and to develop a comprehensive loyalty program utilizing blockchain. So using blockchain, we have to create a program which can be beneficial to both the app, the user and the designer, uh, and continuously monitor and improve packaging initiatives. So this is basically to monitor our packaging services and to improve our eco-friendly packaging services. So the futuristic product name is Verdeza. As you can see here, the prototype is on the screen, the Verde Cosmetics. So let's move on to the next step, this testing. I request the viewers of the presentation to comment on your opinion and satisfy the testing stage. Thank you. That's it.